Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. My name's Claire from Buttercup Creations Art. So thank you for joining me on another flip through. So this is a beautiful wedding journal for a bride-to-be. So she gave me the things that she loves. So the cover, as you can see, is of Gaia, the goddess. So she's the Greek god of nature. So I've embroidered this. This is actual wool felt. So that was the only colour that I could find that I really like, because I wanted her to stand out. So I've used actual wool. So as you can see, it's all been embroidered, and then you've got the initials, her initials, which is J, and the husband to be initial D. And we'll go over to the side, and we have a beautiful dark blue wrap on the spine, and then suede effect fabric on the back. I will tape that because it's got little tiny bits on it that I will get rid of. So as you can see, on both sides there is that with a dark blue ribbon, and then this beautiful green lace to finish the ends off. So as you can see, this is the ground of the beautiful greens and everything, and then surrounded by the sky, because she's getting married in San Francisco. Oh, exciting. So I've done that. So the sky is surrounding the planet. Okay, so as you can see, we've got a beautiful ribbon to tie it off, and we'll go on into the inside. So I've got an envelope here, and then inside, this is my little note for the new keeper of the journal, plus it'll have a thank you card in there. So I've used a velvet for the pocket, and then this dark blue beautiful lace, and then I've got green twine going there. And then over here, so she's got plenty of spaces for photos, and also plenty of spaces to write all her beautiful notes, and her guests to write notes as well for her. So this is a little photo frame that I've done. So you've got the front there to protect the photo, then we've got the green going on there as well, and then this is a giant envelope. I thought, well, the guests might like to write little notes, and they could actually put them in there, or she could put notes in there, completely up to her. I mean, it would be nice if the wedding party would write little notes, put them in there, and then when they come back from their honeymoon, her and her husband can take them out and have a read of the beautiful messages. So here we go. We have a pocket here with a tag to a journaling card to write on. So you'll see all through that there's, because she loves the colour of the San Francisco skies, it's got all different tones of blues, and it's got different tones of greens in there as well. So we have all these, and then like endearment, a word to express love and care for others. And then I've done these little tags here with hole punches. So if she gets any little beautiful charms that she can add onto the side. We have a little tuck there. So plenty of coffee dye paper for her to write on. We've got good old Tim Holtz paper there. And then another pocket here, and then this is a flip out pocket there, so that flips right out and opens out into a pocket. And then we have these. What I've done is I've put little metal corner pieces, so she can either put a little photo in there, and also she can write, and it's like all these papers that she can put photos on as well, or write little messages. So we've got it there as well. Then we have a belly band and a large journaling card. And then soulmate, to be a perfect match for a friend or a partner. Perfect. Some parchment paper. And then we have another envelope that opens out. I'm going on to a tag, and then I've used some of that velvet there, so it's going through just softly, so it's not too much. And then tenderness, to be gentle and kind to others, living things. Hear, hear. So she's got little notes and that, where she can read little pieces. And then another flip out envelope, and then another journaling card. And then we've got a little tuck here. And then another of the photo frames. And then a double tuck here with a journaling card, so it's a tuck in the back as well. And then another large pocket there, and then that's the first signature. And also she has a bookmark with a little bead on the end. So into the second signature, excuse me. Then another little tag there, and one here, and then a large tag there, and a little card there. And then we have a flip out photo frame there, so it's got a little card there, so she can put the photo on, or she can just put it straight into there, like so, like that. And then another large envelope with a little belly band there, or side tuck. Another one of the photo frames. Ooh, stuck. Come on, you caught there. I gotcha. I gotcha. Another belly band here. And then a side tucks here, so one there and one there. And that one there. Then we have a pocket, side pocket there. Affection, a compelling fondness for another person or persons. And then this is the Art Deco form of Mother Nature. So definitely lots of places to write and put photos and little notes. Another little tuck there. And then the same again here, a flip out with a pocket there and there. And then the last one, a big pocket here, and then into the back. The back is the same as the front with the velvet, the lace, and then the twine. And then here I've done a little bit of a book with loads of different flowers and everything that she can read in. So there we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this flip through. Thank you ever so much for joining me, and I will see you on the next video. Take care, guys. Bye.